Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me Anvesha and today I'm going to talk about again personal growth but with some different topics which is going to help you a lot in your daily life. First of all, the thing is embarrassment, feeling awkward, feeling shy and being introvert and person like me. Most of the people thinks that I am an introvert until and unless they know me well. बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है बनारस में, लाइट भी नहीं है. Anyways, if no one knows you, like you are random to them, you are a stranger, I don't feel like being a very joyful and very extrovert is a good idea, because people oftenly like those people who speak a little less and be a little reserved. In this generation, I don't feel like being very extrovert is necessary or important or very nice. I am telling you my thing. I am a very introvert person, like not introvert in every case, but a person like me stay reserved. I don't feel like talking to everybody. And you won't trust me, when I was in school, I used to talk very less with people and I used to talk with that one person everything, but very less with other people. Like they also say कि Anvesha इतना reserve रहती है. So what is my suggestion to you guys is to be a little reserved in your own personal lives. There is no need to share your things, like overshare to anybody until and unless it's your family or loved ones. Anyone can use you anytime, anywhere. So it is my personal advice, from not from my personal experience, because I was always very secure from the starting and I used to play very safe in all these cases.
You very chalak, bro. What chalak, bro, chalak.
Like I had a trust issue, like till and unless it's my family, I have a trust issue पूरे दुनिया पे. So I don't overshare things. Like if I'll meet someone very stranger, I'll be only if they'll need any help, I'll be helping. उसके अलावा मैं कहाँ रहती हूँ, मेरा घर क्या है, मेरा नाम क्या है, I don't talk anything, like not even basic questions. Basic question चलो ठीक है, unknown city and all people talk, but this is not a good idea. When people say कि तुम इतना कम क्यों बोलती हो, why you are so introvert and shy. Being shy and being introvert too, these two are different things. Being shy is like कि आप को कुछ भी करने में बहुत शर्म आ रही है, and being introvert is आप कर सकते हो बट करना नहीं चाहते हो just because you are not interested in it. And I don't think so कि किसी random stranger के सामने कुछ भी कर देना is being very extrovert thing and being very cool. I feel like कि yes, if I'm sitting between 4 people and I'm not going to do anything as such which makes me feel like very stupid, like over talking, over sharing, over doing everything very over. I have 2 different personality. One is for my family and one is for that strangers. That my family knows me very well and I can be myself in front of them. But even when I'm coming and talking to the camera, I'll maintain that dignity and that decency level. Nobody thinks that she's too clingy and kind of all that. So जब people say me कि you are very shy and you are unable to talk in front of 4 people, look, I can talk in front of 4 people, it's just I can't talk much to them because I'm least interested to talk to them. When I'm sitting with someone I know very well and my loved ones and family members, I talk. I don't have any problem. If I'm sitting in a debate competition or meeting or something, I will talk. There I have to speak. There is an importance of my words. If I'm speaking, people are listening. And when 4 लोगों के बीच बैठ के अंडरस्टैंड बातें करना and कुछ भी बोल देना, not my thing. Even if I'm meeting to few of my relatives whom I don't even know and बहुत time बाद मिल रही हूँ and they're like oh हो बहुत बड़ी हो गई and all, so I'll be talking very kindly to them, I'll be very sweet. बट ये नहीं कि मैं घंटों घंटों बैठ के बात करूँगी, इतना समय तो भाई ना मेरे पास है ना उस रिलेटिव के पास होगा. Introvert and reserved doesn't mean I am rude or very mean or I don't know how to talk sweetly and calmly. And for the other hand, people think that I am shy, that I am unable to talk, or if I'll talk, I'll be rude. So let me be very clear, I am introvert, I stay reserved, I'm not even rude and I'm not even mean to anybody. जब अगर हम मुंह खोलते हैं तो बहुत sweetly और बहुत kindly ही बात करते हैं, लेकिन बहुत ज़्यादा भी नहीं बोल देते हैं कि लोगों को लगने लगे कि हाँ टॉकिंग टू हर इज सच अ टाइम वेस्ट, शी स्पीक. भाई जहाँ बोलो वहाँ मुंह खोलो, जहाँ पे आपकी बात की वैल्यू हो, इम्पोर्टेंस हो, और उतना ही बोलो जितना देर तक लोग सुन सकते हैं, जितना देर तक लोगों को पसंद आ रहा है. अब कुछ भी कहीं से भी बोलना इज़ नॉट, आई डोंट थिंक इज़ अ गुड आइडिया, नॉट एट ऑल. So this was a basic difference between being shy and being introvert or reserved. An extrovert is okay that you don't have any trust issue or something. You just introvert also doesn't mean कि you are not yourself. Sometimes I am
this
myself.
only,
I speak less. I am this only. I speak less. I speak less with strangers. This is me. I speak less with strangers. This is me. I'm being myself. What is this? What does being yourself mean? Ki speak continuously without stopping. This means being yourself. Then yes, I'm not myself then. Extrovert is okay. I'm not against anything. But people who call introverts a very mean person, very rude person, or a shy person, or not being yourself and all, this is a very illogical thing. कम बोलना is not कि झगड़ना and all. So guys, that's it from my side today, and I hope you understood the difference between both of these words. So I'll catch you up with few more confusions in the next video. Thanks for watching.